So today I'm going to just be going over multiplying polynomials with you, and our goal for you today is to learn how to multiply binomials using the FOIL method, and also we want you to be able to multiply binomials and trinomials. Okay. So let's just start by multiplying two polynomials. Okay. So in this one, we're just going to multiply the two monomials by each other, and when we multiply exponents, remember we just add them together. So 6, x to the 6 times x to the 6 will be x to the 13, because we add 6 and 7 together. Okay. And then on to this one, so then this one is, we have 4x times negative 2x. Okay, so 4 times negative 2, that's negative 8, and then x times x to the 6, that's x to the 6, okay. X to the 7. So then our final answer is negative 8x to the 7. So now we're going to multiply a monomial by a binomial. So we're going to distribute the negative 3x to the 2x plus 1. So this is going to multiply by that and by that. And we're going to get, so negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and then we take our x times our x, and we get x squared. And then negative 3x times 1 would be minus 3x. And then that's our final answer for this one, because we don't have any like terms to combine on this one. Okay. So now we're going to learn how to multiply a binomial by a binomial. And how we do this is we FOIL it. So what we do is we would take, so what we do is we take the first two numbers and we multiply them together. So we take those two, so our 2x times x, and then we take our outer two, so these two, so our 2x times negative 3, and then we take our inner two, so our 5 times x, and we take our last two chunks of each binomial. So then we get 5 times 3. And then when we multiply all of that out, we get 2 times x is, or 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. And 5 times x is positive 5x. And 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And then we combine our like terms, which is negative 6x and positive 5x, and we get plus, or not plus, my bad, our negative 6 is bigger, so we would get negative x minus 15. Our final answer is 2x squared minus x minus 15. There's also another method for multiplying binomials, and it's called the box method. And how you do that is you take this number and you put it here, you take that number and you put it there, you take the x, put it there, and 5 there. And then you just multiply. So 2x times x would be 2x squared. 2x times 5 would be 10x, and then x times negative 3 would be negative 3x, and then positive 5 times negative 3, negative 15. So then we write that out. 2x squared plus 10x minus 3x plus 15, or not plus 15, my bad, minus 15, and then we combine our like terms and we get 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. On to the next one. So then this one, we have, I'm going to make this 4, 6x minus 9, first, so here are outers, so x times negative 9 minus 9x are inners, so negative 4 times 6 is negative 24, okay, and then r plus 36, and then x squared negative 1, negative, I meant negative 33. Negative 33x plus 36. And so our final answer is 6x squared minus 33x plus 36. So then we're going to multiply this one out, and we're going to get that. I'm going to do this. So then we take our x times our x, and we get squared. Take our x times our 3, and get x. We take our two inner terms, 1 times x, and we get plus x. And we take our two last terms, and we get we get plus 3. And then we combine our like terms, and we get x squared plus 4x plus 3. On to on. Okay. On this one, I'm going to use the box method instead of foiling, just so you've seen it done both ways. So, draw a box. I made that way too long, but it's okay. It's all good. Ah, no. 7, oh. 2K minus 1, 4K, 9. So then, 3K times 4K, that is 12K squared. 4K times negative 1, negative 4K. 3K times 9, 27K. And then 9 times negative 1, negative 9. Write it out. 12K squared minus 4K plus 27K minus 9. And we combine our like terms, so we get 12K squared plus 23K plus 9. And that's our final answer for this one. Ooh, now we're going to find the area. So let's remember what the formula for area is. Area equals length times width. So they give us the length and the width, which is x plus 5 times 2x minus 9. And we can FOIL or use the box method. I like to FOIL better, just because I think it takes less work. Okay, so x times 2x, 2x squared, x times negative 9, negative 9x, 5 times 2x is positive 10x, and then 5 times negative 9 is negative 45, and 2x squared, we combine our like terms, plus x minus 45. And that's our final answer on this one. So that's the polynomial that represents the area of this rectangle right here. And now we're going to multiply a binomial times a trinomial. And we use, I think I'm going to use the box method for this one. So let's do, this way. Okay, so for 4 squared 3x 2. So then x squared times x is going to be x to the third, x squared times 4, 4x squared. X times 3x is going to be 3x squared. 3x times 4 is going to be 12x. X times 2 is going to be 2x. Then 4 times 2 is going to be 6. Got another sign there. Okay, so then you write it out. I'm going to make this wider. x squared plus 4x squared plus 3x squared plus 12x plus 2x. Still gotta make it bigger. Plus 6. And then we combine our like terms, so we got x to the third plus 4x squared plus 3x squared. That would give us 7x squared. And plus 12x plus 2x, that would give us 14x plus 6. And that's our final answer for this one. That's our last one. And that's all for today. See ya.